Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sellthoseflippingcars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are jumping into the 2017 Ford Explorer Key Fob battery replacement. Have you walked up to your vehicle, hit the unlock button, but the doors didn't unlock? Or maybe the vehicle was running and then you got the no key detected warning on the driver cluster. Those are two great indications that your battery is needing replaced. And I'm going to have a little tip for you at the end to make sure that you do the battery replacement correct in your key fob so we can get you back on the road without breaking the bank. So if this video helps you, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button so you get notified of all of our future DIY auto repair videos right here on the channel in the future. Let's jump in, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your 2017 Ford Explorer Key Fob. The same process works for 2016 through 2020 Ford Explorers that use the same style key fob as well. If your remote isn't unlocking the doors or your range is getting shorter, chances are the batteries are needing to be replaced. The good news, you can do this yourself at home in just a few minutes, and it will save you from paying dealership service prices. So, let me show you how. All you're going to need is 2 replacement batteries for the 2017 Ford Explorer Key Fob. The correct batteries are the CR2025. I'll leave a link in the video description down below so you can grab the same ones that I used. Now, start by looking on the back of your key fob. You'll see a small notch. This is where you'll press to open the case. Next, grab your physical backup key and insert it right there on the key fob. Use 2 hands if you need to. Pry up and the next level in the key fob will come right off. Just use steady pressure and it will come apart cleanly. You are now at the batteries. Inside, you'll notice you have 2 batteries stacked in the key fob. Take your finger and gently lift each one out. Make sure you pay attention to the orientation, the positive and the negative sides, because you'll need to install the new CR2025 batteries the exact same way. Now, grab your fresh batteries, slide the first one in, making sure the positive side is facing the same way as the one you just removed. Do the same with the second battery. Once both are in place, line the cover back up and snap it shut. Give it a little press all around to make sure it's properly sealed. Now for the fun part, testing it out. Step outside and press the lock and unlock buttons. If your lights flash or you hear that familiar click, you're back in business. Your 2017 Ford Explorer Key Fob battery is officially complete. Congratulations, everyone. And that's all there is to it. You just saved yourself a trip to the dealership and a service fee for something you can do in under 5 minutes. Don't forget to check the video description for the link to the CR2025 batteries that I used so you can get the exact same ones. If this video helped you out, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sellthoseflippingcars for more DIY auto repair and money saving tips. I'll see you in the next one. Keep on wrenching, everyone.